Hey guys, how y'all doing? I picked this vehicle up from Ford and they said it was fixed, and I told them it was not. They didn't even bother to change the oil. They didn't bother to fix my tire sensors. They didn't do anything. They just said, hey, it's fixed, come pick your vehicle up. That was it. I got in a huge argument with them. Normally they're really easy to get along with, good people, but they're adamant saying that it's just the cam phasers. I said, it's not the cam phasers. I said, y'all can replace cam phasers or fix them, and then it's gonna go right back to doing the same thing. And sure enough, it's doing the same thing. So I know a lot of y'all guys are having the same issues, and it's absolutely frustrating. That Ford just does not give a shit, as you can tell. We have 3 brand new Fords. There's an F-250 2017, bought brand new. There's this one, 2018 Ford F-150 Special Edition, bought brand new. And there's my wife's 2019 Mustang, bought brand new. So I'll go ahead and rev this up so y'all can hear this. You hear that metal framing, that tap, 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 that's the cam phasers. They're out of whack again. Right there. Y'all hear that? Cam phasers are messed up right there. Cam phasers are messed up because there's internal damage already in the engine. There again, it does the same thing to go off. And now it was doing it all the time, and now it's doing it's basically doing it periodically. So I have to, you know, it's doing it at different times, which is very frustrating now, because when I took it to Ford, it was doing it all the time. It didn't matter what condition. It's almost like they tried to mask it. If y'all can hear it again. Let me hit a little clanking. That's the noise I'm talking about. All right, guys, I just thought maybe this video could help you. It's late at night, and I'm really upset about all this. I'm making this video to help y'all, to help me, so we can figure what's going on with these 5.0s, with these trucks and these cars, so we can get them fixed and make Ford realize that you can't treat your customers this way, because it's absolutely garbage. So thank you for watching, and God bless. And please, 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 if your truck is, or if your truck or car is making the 5.0, the typewriter tick, or if it's making the cam phaser noise because there's something else internally damaged, please take it to Ford and help us out. And that way Ford knows that they have a big issue, and instead of trying to hide everything, it helps everyone out in the Ford community. Thank you all very much. God bless.